AI in the automotive industry by transforming transportation and autonomous vehicles. The automotive industry is on the brink of a technological revolution that is transforming the way we think about transportation. At the heart of this change is artificial intelligence, AI, a powerful force that is reshaping every aspect of the automotive world, from the cars we drive to the very infrastructure that supports our journeys. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It has become an integral part of our daily lives, influencing industries across the board. In the automotive industry, AI is playing a crucial role in advancing autonomous vehicles, enhancing vehicle safety, improving traffic management, and even redefining the way we design and manufacture cars. AI-powered self-driving cars. One of the most significant advancements in the automotive industry is the development of autonomous vehicles, or self-driving cars. These vehicles, powered by AI, are capable of navigating roads, interpreting traffic signals, avoiding obstacles, and making real-time decisions without human intervention. The core of this technology lies in AI's ability to process vast amounts of data from various sensors, cameras, and radars installed in the vehicle. This data is then analyzed by complex algorithms that enable the car to understand its environment, predict potential hazards, and react accordingly. The result is a vehicle that can drive itself, offering a level of convenience, safety, and efficiency that was once unimaginable. The implications of AI-powered autonomous vehicles are profound. Advanced driver assistance systems. While fully autonomous vehicles are still in the development stages, AI is already making a significant impact through advanced driver assistance systems. These systems, which include features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and parking assistance, are designed to enhance driver safety and comfort. Powered by AI, it uses data from sensors and cameras to monitor the vehicle's surroundings and provide real-time assistance to the driver. For example, if a vehicle in front suddenly slows down, the adaptive cruise control system can automatically adjust the car's speed to maintain a safe distance. Similarly, lane keeping assist can detect if the vehicle is drifting out of its lane and gently steer it back on course. Smart manufacturing. The impact of AI extends beyond the vehicles themselves to the very process of manufacturing them. In the automotive industry, AI is revolutionizing the production line through smart manufacturing, also known as Industry 4.0. This approach leverages AI, machine learning, and data analytics to optimize every aspect of vehicle production, from design to assembly. For example, AI can analyze vast amounts of data from the production process to identify inefficiencies, predict equipment failures, and even suggest improvements. This not only increases the efficiency of the manufacturing process, but also reduces costs and minimizes downtime. AI-driven design. AI is not only transforming how vehicles are manufactured, but also how they are designed. The design phase of a vehicle is a complex process that involves multiple iterations and requires a deep understanding of both aesthetics and functionality. Traditionally, this process relied heavily on human expertise, but AI is now playing an increasingly important role in vehicle design. AI-powered design tools can analyze vast amounts of data, including consumer preferences, market trends, and engineering constraints, to generate innovative design concepts. These tools can also simulate how different designs will perform in real-world conditions, allowing designers to test and refine their ideas before they even create a physical prototype. Intelligent traffic systems. As urban populations continue to grow, managing traffic efficiently has become a major challenge for cities around the world. Traffic congestion not only causes delays and frustration for drivers but also contributes to higher emissions and air pollution. AI is playing a crucial role in addressing this challenge by enabling the development of intelligent traffic systems that can optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and minimize emissions. These systems use AI algorithms to analyze data from various sources, such as traffic cameras, sensors, and GPS devices, to monitor traffic conditions in real time. Based on this data, AI can predict traffic patterns, identify bottlenecks, and suggest alternative routes to drivers. Smart urban mobility. In addition to improving traffic management, AI is also transforming urban mobility by enabling the development of smart transportation solutions. These solutions include ride-sharing services, autonomous public transportation, and connected vehicles, all of which aim to make urban mobility more efficient, convenient, and sustainable. For example, AI-powered ride-sharing platforms use algorithms to match passengers with the most suitable vehicles, optimizing routes and reducing wait times. This not only makes transportation more convenient for users but also reduces the number of vehicles on the road, helping to alleviate traffic congestion. Predictive maintenance. AI is not only transforming how vehicles are designed, manufactured, and operated but also how they are maintained. Predictive maintenance is an AI-driven approach that uses data from sensors and other sources to monitor the condition of a vehicle in real time. By analyzing this data, AI can predict when a component is likely to fail and recommend maintenance before a breakdown occurs. This proactive approach to vehicle maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of unexpected failures, keeping vehicles on the road longer and reducing maintenance costs. AI-enhanced customer experience. In addition to improving vehicle maintenance, AI is also transforming the customer experience by enabling more personalized and responsive interactions between drivers and their vehicles. Modern vehicles are increasingly equipped with AI-powered infotainment systems that can understand natural language commands, learn from the driver's preferences, and provide personalized recommendations. For example, AI can suggest the best route to avoid traffic based on the driver's daily commute or recommend nearby restaurants based on the driver's past preferences. These systems can also integrate with smart home devices, allowing drivers to control their home environment, such as adjusting the thermostat or turning off the lights, directly from their vehicle. Autonomous mobility as a service. Looking ahead, AI is poised to play an even more significant role in the automotive industry through the development of autonomous mobility as a service. This concept envisions a future where transportation is no longer centered around personal vehicle ownership, but instead revolves around shared autonomous vehicles that provide on-demand transportation services. Powered by AI, these autonomous vehicles will be able to operate efficiently in urban environments, offering a convenient, cost-effective, and sustainable alternative to traditional transportation. Users will be able to summon a vehicle through an app, and the AI system will dispatch the nearest available vehicle, optimizing routes and reducing wait times. AI and sustainable transportation. Another exciting aspect of AI in the automotive industry is its potential to drive the development of sustainable transportation solutions. As concerns about climate change and environmental sustainability grow, the automotive industry is under increasing pressure to reduce its carbon footprint. AI is playing a crucial role in this effort by enabling the development of more efficient electric vehicles, EVs, optimizing energy usage, and supporting the integration of renewable energy sources. For example, AI can analyze data on driving patterns, weather conditions, and energy prices to optimize when and where EVs should be charged, reducing energy costs and minimizing the strain on the power grid. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.